Hey guys, welcome to my channel 2.0 revamped, revised, all done over. This is your girl. You know, I have to give the typical intro. I said I wouldn't, but here I am. This is your girl, Donisha, aka the D Renee, aka if you were with me when I started 8-9 years ago, Miss Don Don. And I'm back. I have really been contemplating restarting my YouTube page with my beauty blogs for a really long time. So if you happen to be a subscriber and you're like, this girl, you know, from way back when, she had done a video. Literally the last video I did was, I want to say it was August 8th, 2012. So it's been over 8 years. I'm lying, it was June 8th. So it's been over 8 years. Since I've done the last video, and I used to do wig reviews. I've done like different hair company reviews, some makeup tutorials, different jewelry hauls, outfits of the day. Not that many. I maybe have like 15 or so videos, if that many. But I really had momentum and I was really getting on it. And then, you know, I was in my approaching my mid-20s and life was happening and I stopped. I moved my life into a different direction. I started focusing on different aspects of my career and all this kind of stuff. I didn't have kids and do all that, not yet. And I happened to be I have a podcast now. So I actually have 2 podcasts. And I was working on my latest podcast with my boyfriend. The podcast is called If It Isn't Love Podcast. So go ahead and take a listen. We also have a YouTube channel because we record our podcast. And because we were on YouTube fooling around, I happened to see some of my old videos and I was like, and I'll just make sure that I insert some of the videos in here somewhere. So you can just see how tragic they were. But at the time I was popping, like, I mean, I wasn't like some of the beauty vloggers at the time. But I really feel like if I had stayed the course, I would have been like popping today, but I just didn't do it. And I'm just thankful for a new drive to be able to do it and updated technology, because I used to do it with my digital camera that I had gotten for college graduation. I used to like sit on a stack of books or something on my desk, record, upload it, go into, I don't know if it was Microsoft Word or PowerPoint and put a little thing on it. And so clearly my technology is so much better. Also shout out to Babe because he's into all this, so he helps hook this all up. I don't necessarily have the creative mind for this part. But I'm really excited for what's going to come. So you're like, all right, girl, we hear you. What's coming on this channel? So of course you're going to get some wig reviews like this lovely hair, right? You're going to get reviews of hair. You're going to get some makeup tutorials. In this stint when I was off, I actually did makeup semi-professionally for a while. I mean, no, not semi. I was a makeup artist for some time. I did weddings, music videos, all kinds of stuff. So I don't know why I'm trying to play myself like I was semi-professional. I got paid. So I'll do some makeup tips and tutorials and things like that, some outfits of the day. I'm really into fashion. I'm always buying things that I don't need to haul, critique. I'm working on some other stuff like that. I also went keto and I have been fluctuating right now. So, you know, COVID killed all of us and I was off. I've been back on keto for the last going on 2 months and I've lost 23 pounds in the process. So I have uploaded one of my videos like earlier this year, so you can check that out. So I'll be doing some different recipes and things like that. And also just talking about overall beauty, even from the inside, right? Different meditations and healthy living guidelines and tips and things that I do that work for me and I want to share. So I hope that you feel so inclined to come on this journey with me because I'm back. Go ahead and follow me on social media. I am at the D Renee on Instagram and Twitter. I'm working on tweeting more. I don't tweet that much. I'm working on that. And I'll be at the D Renee on Facebook as well. I have a page that you can follow me on as well. And if you're in like my group of people, if you're like in my age and we in our approaching mid-30s, you know, we still be on Facebook. So I know there's no TikTok right now, probably won't be. Y'all, I tried to tick, it didn't talk, and so here we are. So we're going to just keep it cute with those platforms. And of course, here on YouTube, go ahead and like this page. I'm going to try to do reviews. My goal, don't hold me to it, is to share at least 2 videos a week. They might be wig reviews, they might be hauls, they may be beauty tips, they might be recipe. So just be on the lookout and then share with me what you'd like to see. I am just so excited about this journey. I'm really excited about investing in myself and just presenting myself and what I have to share with everyone. So if you want to keep watching, go ahead, subscribe so you can see what comes up next. I look forward to sharing with you. Bye, y'all.